Now for the risk register. Document containing the project key risks. As for issue, we need to document the impact of the risk. If this risk happens, is it going to impact anything, the budget, time frame, or it's just going to be a bump on the road? What are we doing about that risk? We could accept it, we could avoid it, we could mitigate it. I mean, there's an array of things that we can do, but I think for this fundamentals course, I'm not going to go into detail, but if you're aware that there is acceptance, avoidance, mitigation, that's already a very good start. You could say, yeah, accept it and say, yes, I know this risk could happen, that's fine, I'm okay with it. No, I don't want this risk to happen, and I want to avoid it at all costs. You know, during the walk, you know that there could be some very heavy rains. What do we do if we have heavy rains? It's good to have a plan for that. Owning a risk, you need to monitor the risk. And if something occurs, you need to initiate the mitigation plan. You cannot do that all the time as a project manager on all the risk, so you need to have an owner for that risk. You could say, you take care of this risk, you monitor it, let us know if it becomes more likely to happen, and when it occurs, let me know, we will initiate the mitigation plan, or we will do what we said we'll do if that risk occurs. When? Used anytime. But we create it during the initiation. It is key during the initiation, as I mentioned. I don't want to repeat myself too much, but a risk could be so big that we just decide we don't do the project at all. So this list makes everyone aware of the risk of the project could face. This is an awareness communication tool. And this is the way I like to say it. It's an awareness communication tool.